it's Trisha from Huntress Habits, and I'm trying to do some straightening up and get my new office ready. They're coming on Monday to redo the carpet, and so actually not redo, we're putting in new flooring instead of carpet. And I'm finding things that I didn't even know I had, so I thought I'd show them to you right after this. So this is what we've got. I've got some larger ones, but I mean, they're really big. And I haven't got the studio set up for large things yet. So I thought I'd just grab these smaller ones. And I think some of these are not even available anymore. So I hate to even show them, but I was putting them in my book and going, gosh, I wanted to put this on my wall this summer. And I love this one. Life is a Beautiful Ride. This one I'm going to go ahead and do very soon. I love balloons. I think as a child I went up in one. But look how it layers so nicely so you can do different colors. Then this one I can do still. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. Hang that above the coffee pot. Because we do pumpkin lattes at this house. Then this one I'd like to do for Thanksgiving, which is only a week away, so I've got to get busy. And I remember when I ordered this one, I ordered these extra leaves to go around them, and I think these are still available with no problem. Then here are some that I just liked, so I thought I'd show them to you. They're in the stack that I've got to put away. And I use a binder like this, and they just slide in the top. And that way I can just flip through that binder when I want it. Remember, I do this mostly as a hobby, but whether you do it as a hobby or a business, people are quitting their jobs and doing just chalk couture because it's doing so well for them. But like I said, right now it's just a hobby for me. And this I'd like to make ornaments out of using the little chalk couture disc. I think that's what I'll use these for. And then this one, I know this is in the new catalog because it's for Valentine's. Forget love, I'd rather fall in love with chocolate. I'm a chocolate eater. And this one is old. This is the August Club Couture. So that kind of tells you how long it's been since I've been able to do anything. This one is the September. Let's get that around. September Club Couture. And I think this is the October, which I may have in this package right here. I might have ordered it. Do not give up. Don't give up. So let's look and see. These were sent out October 2nd and October 19th. So let's see what we've got. Here we go. Oh, Okay, now I'm going to take you over to the display. Let's see. Doesn't have a label on it. So let's go over to my display, and I've got the Couture site pulled up. As long as you put /Huntress Habits, it's going to come up with my name up here, which, you know what, I need to take the camera off of me. Let's do that. That way you can see it. Okay. Now, I want to go look in the catalog and see which one this is. Notice we had a holiday suite come out, and this is our catalog. I've already got it pulled up ready for us. And the best thing about the new catalogs is that you can get a hardbound copy now. And I think that's all I did was glance through that hardbound instead of going through this one online. I am normally an online person. And notice here, I'm going to flip you back to the overhead. Notice here on the back, you've got instructions step by step how to do this. You also have it in the catalog, step by step, how to do this. It is so simple. And I'll be doing another one soon. I promise. And you can always look back at some of my older ones to see how to do it. It's a silk screen process that just basically you chalk over it, and you can do it in different colors. You can mix the colors, all sort of different ways to do it. Just look up my Couture videos for that instruction. This tells you what happens if you become a designer, whether you're a designer as a hobbyist or a designer to sell, what comes in your kit, and how to get started. This is all the colors we offer right now, and right now we even have some that are in little packets. Now, I'm not sure which colors became available because they were a little late getting apart to get them into the small packets, but that's available to us now. Let me see if I've got one here. So this is a big help for those that I just got this. Or I opened up the box, I should say. And it is a washable paste. This is the bright white. And I'm sorry, I didn't switch to the overhead. I will be sending some of these out in the mail to some friends that I want them to try this. And I'll be sending them a transfer also. So let me know if you're one of those people that want to try it. All I ask is that you pay shipping. And I will get that to you. Okay, let's go back to the display and look at these colors. Okay, here we go. Here's our Couture. As a designer, each month we get one ahead of time. In August, I got the light bulb. September, the llama came out. But actually, I got it back in July. Okay? Just as in August, I got it back in June. I get it ahead of time. And if you look back, you'll see that that's kind of where my videos slacked off some. And there's a video explaining why. Okay, here we go. The Do Not Give Up. And then here is the November one, and it was shipped to me in October. Okay, so I got it a month ahead of time. Now, let's see what's in this package. Let's flip the screen over here. If I can get my mouse to work. Uh-oh. Well, I got to get it on the right. There we go. This is just like Christmas. Opening up a stack of things. I've got another video to do on my spellbinders. Okay, let's get it open. There it is. The December one. It won't be released until December 1st. And I got it ahead of time. You put the wreath, and it's got the wreath and the berries and some more leaves. You can do all three of those in different colors, and you've got the registered marks so that you line them up easily and use them as the O in the home. Ooh, I may have to do that one first. And then, let's see. Let's switch back over to the catalog. Yeah, that's the December one. And then any day now, I should be getting the January one. I know they have shipped, so I should be getting it soon. So, all these can be yours just by going to my catalog and placing an order. It's really easy to do. And I can take you back to the home page and show you how. First, you have to log in. And that's just like any other site, whether you would be ordering off of Amazon or Best Buy or Walmart. You have to sign in. And then you go to shop. When you click on shop, you can look at just the transfers, or if you want to go and look at all the accessories that goes with it. And double click here. Might take a minute to load up. Or maybe it's not going to load up. Huh. Okay, that's my transfers. And then go to surfaces. Maybe that won't take as long. There we go. All the different surfaces that you can purchase. And we've added a lot of new ones. I've got this lumbar pillow that I've got one I'm going to put on it and put it on both sides. Oh, wait, no, it comes in a pack of 2. So I don't have to do it on both sides. Then you know our ink, or those that may not know, our ink is for linen, any kind of fabric, and it can be heat set to be permanent. Then we've got some new accessories. I thought that would pop up. Some new tools. This is my favorite, the multi-tool. So I'll be showing you how to use that in my next Chalk Couture video. And then, of course, all the beautiful colors that we have of paste. All you have to do is click on those, add it to your cart. It tells you that it's been added. Just as if you were ordering from Walmart, then you go to my cart and it will give you that. When you go to checkout, it will give you your shipping. Make sure you're signed in, okay? And I won't go any farther with that. Due to when I sign in, it gives me my price. Oh yeah, as a designer, whether you sell it or not, you get 40% off. So you can see why I would rather be a designer and get the Club Coutures each month, and also have this website that I don't have to do anything to. They take care of it. so that if you do want to shop, they take care of all the shipping to you, and all I need to do is tell you about it. And I hope that answers some of your questions about Chalk Couture. And if you have any more, be sure and leave them in the comment below. And I'm going to put a link for my Chalk Couture videos that I've already published out there for you. Let's see. Well, that's it that I've got for you today, guys. And this is going to be in my new to me grouping if you want to watch it again or take a look on how to get to the catalog. Until next time, I'll see you then. Have a great day. Bye-bye.